The Lord be with you. Good everyone, today is Saturday and we dedicate this day to our Blessed Mother. And incidentally, in our Gospel coming from St. Luke chapter 11 verses 27 to 28, there was a woman who shouted at Jesus, "Blessed is the womb that bore you and the breast that nourished you." But Jesus said, "More blessed are those who listen to the word of God and fulfill it in their lives." My dear sisters and brothers, let us imitate our Blessed Mother, Mama Mary, for her complete trust and surrender of her life to the will of God. When she said, "I am the handmaid of the Lord, be it done to me according to thy word," she lived all her life according to the will of God. And that's why Jesus said that while Mama Mary is blessed because she bore her and she nourished her, she is also more than blessed because she lived the word of God in her life. And let that be our desire. Let us be like Mama Mary, who are not only listening, but also fulfilling the word of God in our life. Let's admit it. Sometimes we listen, but we don't fulfill it. The word enters our right ear and goes out to our left ear. We don't actually find time to actually reflect and put into actions the word of God. So my dear friends, let that be a challenge for all of us today. Whatever words of the Lord that you have heard, make it sure that it is happening and it is actually being concretized, so that the word of God will be made flesh through our actions, through our relationships, and through our desire to make Jesus be known and seen in our life. Like Mama Mary, let us always say, "We are handmaids of the Lord. Be it done to us according to God's will." God bless.